a lot of us probably have become much more familiar with AI, with ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini and all the rest in the last 2 or 3 years. So what was data and AI back in 2014, and how has that evolved, and what have you seen as what's distilled for you in your mind and your strategy going forward from that?
The cool thing is some of the things that we've patented and invented back in 2014 are now actually relevant. So part of the hard lesson, anyone as an entrepreneur, just market timing is really important. And then don't get too far ahead. You want to be just at that cusp, right, of everything that is emerging. So for our sort of journey on AI was really, as we started to build these services and systems, the human element was actually really important to think about. So how does a person trust the models? How do they trust the algorithm? How do they trust the matching systems? So that is, even today, I think on search and match, if there's things that aren't quite right, or even if your AI model or your AI agent isn't quite right to the opinion of the person who's using it, that's where we started to break down sort of why are we running into these sort of hesitations or trust. And a lot of it even was rooted in data. So we just picked that, hey, everything that we've learned over the 10 years that we've been doing this and building these advanced systems was there is a piece to this that is always going to be centered around data quality. So if we can eliminate that, then everything is going to be much easier to fine tune or explain or rule out certain reasons why a model might not be performing to the expectations of that user.